I'm going to be telling you the new updates on FreeCash. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be taking you step by step and everything you need to know to own a verified FreeCash account. Now, for the very first time I started FreeCash, there was nothing like verification. But right now, you must have an ID verification, which I'm going to be explaining in this video. First of all, before you proceed in owning a FreeCash account, you must have an ID. In every of my survey videos, I always say, let your discourse be 100. Now we have wa.net and we also have wa.com. This is wa.net. Now, when you take a look at this, you can actually see that my wa.net is on 100%. The discourse is on 100%. And when you come down to my wa.com, you would notice that I have 90%. Now, the discourse is 90% right on the wa.com. And when you come over to my wa.net, you will find out that I am on 100%. Now, which should you go for? Now, the reason for this video is to show you how you can go about creating your FreeCash account. I'm supposed to explain this in detail, but I don't want the video to be too long. Now, when you want to go about creating your FreeCash account, now we are going to be creating the US FreeCash account, and I'm going to be showing you. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is for you watching me, my subscribers, and also my students. Now, you're going to be getting much benefit from this video when you take your time to watch this video from this moment down to the end. Now, this is what I want you to get. When you go ahead creating the FreeCash account, we have different methods depending on where you are getting your verification ID from. Now, I have a US account which I used one particular ID to verify more than 5 accounts. So I'm going to be going ahead with this particular one, the wa.net. We have the wa.com. Take note of that. So I would advise, if you're new to service, make sure you go over to wa.net to confirm your discourse. This discourse must be 100% before you go ahead. That is guaranteed. Now, when you come down to wa.com, it's actually not a bad one to continue or start with 90 discourse, right? So it depends, but I recommend you go ahead with the wa.net and your discourse should be 100. With that being said, let's dive into the business of today. But guys, before I proceed with this video, if you're coming across the channel for the first time or you're hearing this voice for the first time, this is the voice of Joaking. So what I do right on this platform is to leverage online, make reviews, and also show you what works in the online space. Now, if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. With that being said, let's dive into it. Now, for creating a US FreeCash account, this is what you're going to be doing. I recommend you have your ID already created. Reason is because there's a platform that generates names for you to use for your ID. So you just have to attach your passport or your photograph, right? So you just have to attach your passport or photograph. So right now, it's advisable you get your US ID before going ahead with some US account. You are interested in it, you can actually send me a DM using the link on the pinned comment section. So right now, we are going ahead to create the FreeCash account. I'm going to come right here. Since I've confirmed my IP, I'm going to come right and say freecash.com/US, right? Because I'm creating the US FreeCash account. Now, it's going to load up the interface for us and we're going to proceed with this. Now, I'm going to be explaining some things you need to know. When I started survey, FreeCash was what I started with. So my experience with FreeCash is actually not today. So I have a lot of experience having to get started or create an account or run my FreeCash account. Now, once you're here, you can come right here to continue with Google, but I don't advise you go through that method. So we're going to come right and click on the sign up button, right? And we're going to insert an email address. We're going to put in our password and we're going to sign up right now. Now, the sign up process is very, very simple that anyone can start up with. Like I said, I started survey platform with FreeCash. So I'm going to come right here. I recommend you create an email address. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to insert this particular email. Let's go with this one. Let me say this. So I'm going to go with this particular email. Sometimes some set of people were saying you can create FreeCash account. You need a UK, US. You don't need all those UK, US email address. Just go ahead with any email. So I'm going to insert this right here, right? And I'm going to insert a password. So I'm done inserting my details. So I'm going to come right here and click on the sign up button, right? So I just need to hold on. So this process will proceed. Now my FreeCash account is created. I'm going to be showing you something right now, right? When some of you create accounts, you are going to be getting the pound sign and hero sign or any sign at all. But I recommend while creating an account, make sure you are on a dollar sign. There's a reason for that. So once your account is on dollar sign, then you can benefit from what I'm going to be showing you right in this video. Now, these are should I call it pre-screener questions? These are questions that will actually match you with surveys on your account on FreeCash. So let's start with this. These are just 9 questions. So let's start with this. Make sure when you are doing this, you take record of what the information you're giving right on your account. So this particular first question is what affects most of our accounts, and that is why most of us are screened out of surveys, because we don't pay attention to the first questions that was asked while creating our account. Now, this is the first question. What is your gender? So I'm going to come right and select male, and I'm going to click on next. Now, how old are you? I'm going to come right here and pick with between this particular range, right? And I'm going to click on next, right? Now this says what's your preferred way to cash out. Now we have PayPal, we have bank transfer, we have Visa, we have Amazon. Depending on you, which do you prefer? If you go for PayPal, it's actually worldwide. Everyone can actually use PayPal to withdraw, right? So I'm going to come right here and click on PayPal, and I'm going to click on next. These are just 9 questions. Now, as you can see, the more we are answering these questions, the more we are getting some funds added to our account, right? So we are going to come right here and continue with this. Have you made in-app purchase in? So we're going to click on yes. So when you click on next, you can see that some bonuses will be attached to your account. Now, on average, how much do you spend in our purchase? So these are just questions that you need to take note of. You can see that we just earn 0.05. So these are actually not advisable to skip. That is, if you are able to skip that. How often do you play mobile games? Always be positive, right? So we are going to come right here and click on daily. So we click on next. So this is the 7th one. So right here, this is where you need your virtual number to proceed with this. Now, I don't recommend you go ahead using a temporary number on your FreeCash account, right? So you go right now and get a better number to use for this particular account. So I recommend we use a temporary number for the sake of this video, right? So I'm going to be inserting a temporary number right here, because I own an account on FreeCash. So I'm going to use a temporary number right here. So I'm going to insert this number right here. So once I'm done, I'm going to check this box as well. I'm going to check this box. I agree to the terms of service, alert, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to proceed with this, right? I'm going to come right here and I'm going to click on next, right? So how much do you want to earn today? So let me just go ahead to say 20, right? And I'm going to come right and click on next. Great, we find the best offer that reached $10 goal today, right? So I'm going to click on this. Now, creating an account on FreeCash is not very difficult, but the verification is where people find it very difficult. How much time do you want to play right now? So let me just go out for the 5 to 15 and I'm going to hit the finish button. Now your account is created and you will check your balance and see you have $0.45 on your FreeCash account. So what they actually want you to do from this moment is to click this play and end button, but you can come right to this particular hamburger icon to view your profile, right? So you can see that right here, you are almost there. You can start your first offer, right? You have installed the app. You can go ahead to start with this particular game, right? So when you go ahead to click this first game, you are going to be getting this, right? So that is when you start seeing some offers or surveys on your account. Now, for every survey account you create on FreeCash, you're going to be getting this. So what you can actually do, you might not compulsorily play this game, but you're going to be clicking on the play button right here, and it's going to take you over to where you can actually download this game. So once you're done, you can go ahead to download this on Play Store. You can see that right here. You can see that I just got $10 instantly on my account, even without playing this game. So that is the logic I want you to focus on. Now, when you come right here, you can see that your next cash out is actually showing this. So when you come right here, this is your reward. You can actually see that we are on $10 on our account. So what you can actually do now is to follow this process I just showed you, and you're going to be getting instant $10 on your account. Now, what you want to do is to withdraw on your account, right? So you're going to come right to this particular button you're seeing right here on the cash out. So the minimum withdrawal on FreeCash, you're going to be seeing it right here. Now, this is my balance, and this is where I can actually go ahead to place withdrawal on FreeCash. Now, like I said, it is not only when you want to withdraw you can verify your account. You can as well verify your account before withdrawing on your FreeCash account. Now, you can see we have this button, we have deals, we have offers, we have cash out, we have rewards. So instantly, I did not play this game, but we were given the $10 that was assigned for this account. So for every account you create right now, after watching this video, you can implement this. After watching this video, you are going to be rewarded with that. So that is how FreeCash works. So let's go ahead to see how you can actually withdraw from this particular platform, right? So we are going to come right here. You can see you can go ahead with this, and you can go ahead with so many alternatives right here. You can see that now we have minimum of 5, we have minimum of 10, we have minimum of 20, we have Venmo right here, we have Amazon, we have the likes of so many right here. We also have the crypto right, we have the Litecoin. So you can use any method to withdraw from this particular platform. So that is how to use FreeCash right now, and this is the update I want everyone to benefit from this particular time. So as for you watching this video, you can go ahead to create an account. You don't actually need to do much. You'll be rewarded with the $10 on your account. So you can see I have 10.45 on my account. So subsequent times I can actually use this account to create more videos for us, so we can understand how it works. So you can use this process and get a verified account on FreeCash. Now, if you want to go ahead to place withdrawal, you'll be asked to verify. And so there's another logic when it comes to verifying your account. Most times you might not be asked to verify using ID. Most times you might be asked. So it depends on how lucky you are. So let me go ahead to see if I'll be asked to use the ID while placing withdrawal, or I will not be asked. So once I come down to cash out right here, you can see that my balance still reads that. So that is not a screenshot. You can see that. So when you come right here, we have stake, we have paper, like I said earlier. So what you're going to do is to come down to where you're going to see the crypto right here. So you can see the Binance, you can see the Litecoin, you can see so many others right here. So on my channel, I'm going to be talking about Spender app, which I said earlier. So I'm going to come right and click on this particular one. So when you come right here, you are going to be seeing the minimum of which you can reach before you can go with all this. Now, when you come right here, you can see we have $0.50 to $1,000. You can see we have 0.50 to 1,000. So that is why when I started survey, I started with FreeCash because it was easy for me. Like I have no stress while doing this. So I come down to Litecoin. So what I'm going to do right now is to come right here, and I'm going to paste the wallet address of my Litecoin, right? So after pasting that, I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to hit the max, which is the 10.45, right? And I'm going to hit the withdraw. Now, look at what they said. You need to earn 14.55 more to withdraw. Now, on FreeCash, there's some certain amounts you need to get to before you can place your first withdrawal. Meaning, we can actually go ahead with this. We just have to continue using this platform until we increase what we have on our balance before we can go ahead to place withdrawal. Now, I don't want this video to be too long. I want us to take our time and also go through this, and I want to see results from everyone. So what we are going to do right now is to keep on using this account. So when it gets to the time for withdrawal, you won't have issues for not meeting up the requirement. So that is all you can get for now. I was believing we can actually withdraw if the pattern has actually changed, but I think it's actually same. So when you go ahead to do any withdrawal right here, it's going to be giving you same response on your account. So for some of us using Spender, this is actually Spender. So that is how to actually start up with FreeCash. Another thing I want us to take note of is their referral based system. Now, FreeCash has a referral based system where you also benefit while you bring your friends to their platform. Now, this is what I want you to take note of. Before bringing any friend to this platform, make sure your friend is actually in the United States who has connected to the usual connection he or she is supposed to make. Because if someone from Nigeria uses your link, your account is likely to be shadow banned. So that is what you should take note before referring individuals to this platform. So on my next video, I'm going to be making a more detailed video explaining what you can also get from FreeCash. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you understood and got much value from this video. And if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. If you have any questions, feel free to drop that on the comment section and I'll be glad to give a response to that. However, it's always advisable to follow up, join us on our social media platforms, our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group, where you can also get more updates like this on our channel. So see you on my next video and keep winning.